Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and today I am going to revise the law of exponent. So, start from law number 1, product law of exponent. In this law, the rule is when bases are same and powers are different. When bases are same and powers are different, then we have to take a common base, that is a, and add all the power m plus n plus p. Here is number of powers we have to add by taking common base. In product law of exponent, whenever two or more exponential form are in product form but having the same base, we have to add their power. Or if a base having sum of two or more power, we have to note down this reverse in order: a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. This is a product law of exponent. M and n are two integer. Law number 2, quotient law of exponent. When same base in division form having different powers, so we have to subtract. This is also note down like this: a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. We note down having the common base a and subtract the denominator power from numerator when m is greater than n. Or if you look like this, a raised to the power m minus n, you have to note down a power m divided by a power n for negative sign. So I hope student you will memorize these two formula. Second one, third is if a raised to the power m whole power n and power of power, this is note down like this: a raised to the power m into n, the product of power. All the power in product form when a raised to the power whole power n power, then we have to product all these power with common base. Here is a sign of product: m multiply n. Or you note a raised to the power m into n is called a raised to the power m whole power n, or a raised to the power n whole power m. You could choose one of the power in interior and other is whole power, or second one in interior power and first one is whole power. So student, these are the first three laws of exponent: product law of exponent, quotient form of exponent, and this is the power law of exponent. Now the next law is when the bases are different and power be same. When bases are different and power be same. Bases are different and power is same. We note down product of base by whole power n. Taking common power and product the bases. But here is no positive or negative sign. There is only multiply or quotient sign be there. So power of product law. And last law is the reverse order. If we have to product of two bases having the same power, we can separate them. A raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power. This is from reverse side. And law number 7, the power of quotient law, a power m over b power m. If the power be same but bases are different, we taking the whole base by same power. Or in the from reverse side, a over b whole power m is called a power m upon b power m. So I hope student you will understand all the 7 laws of exponent. There is some other law as well, but we have to focus the main laws. So here is an example to find out this one. Example number for example 7 upon 9 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 upon 37 raised to the power minus 1. So this is a negative. When a 1 upon a power minus 1 is called a power 1. And 7 into 9 raised to the power 1, reciprocal of this one, plus here is also reciprocal of this one, plus 1. The plus we cannot show. 7 9 is 63 plus 37, that is 100. The final answer is 100. So student, I hope you will understand these law. If you feel some difficulty, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.